Hello, what you see here is a Motorola MK3100 kiosk for retail store applications. It's running the Windows CE operating system. It has 4 hardware buttons and a integrated scanner beneath it with a proximity sensor, which is kind of nice because the scanner stays off until the user actually places something below the kiosk and scans it. One of our more important customers, the Liquor Control Board of Ontario, came to me and asked if we could develop just a prototype application that would connect in with their existing GeM2020 in-store operations software that we've provided and support. So we have a lot of experience working with these types of devices. So I simply took an existing handheld application that they're using to just perform simple item lookups, stripped it down to one screen, which simply consists of a web view control that occupies the entire screen. So it uses the existing scanner logic that we've developed over the years that interfaces directly in with the kiosk scanner. So when the user brings a bottle and places it underneath the kiosk, it will detect that there's a bottle, scan the barcode, and we'll look it up against our item database to display the SKU, the description, the price, how many are in the store, and if there's anything that's in transit to the store. The user can also, the customer can also press some of the hardware buttons to get some additional information about the product. You can press the first button to get tasting notes. So this is kind of information about what the wine or the beer tastes like. The second button is serving suggestions. So this is foods that might go with this particular product. The last one, product notes, most of them don't have it. This would just be additional information that might be available on the product. So these kiosks come in a couple different form factors. This is the MK3100. It's the larger form factor. There is a smaller form factor, the MK500. As you can see, it's much smaller. It's essentially the same application. I've changed the HTML a little bit so that it'll render properly on the smaller format, but it works exactly the same and looks up very similar information. So it's kind of nice. So the customer might use these smaller MK500s on the aisles in the store since they don't have as much real estate, or they can use the larger format, say next to the customer service desk, where they might have more real estate and might want to display more information. So yeah, we have a lot of experience working with these devices, and it was a lot of fun. Hopefully they'll decide to go forward with the project. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.